Hello friends, I have explained the chapter acids, bases and salts in my previous video. Please see it. The link is given in description. Now it's time for exercise of this chapter. Let's start. Question number 1. State differences between acids and bases. First, I explain acids. These are sour in taste. Number 1. Number 2. It is not soapy in touch. It turns blue litmus paper into red. Number 4. It turns China rose solution into dark pink. It does not change the color of turmeric solution. It does not change the color of phenolphthalein. Now about bases. These are bitter in taste. These are soapy in touch and turns red litmus paper into blue. It turns China rose solution into green. It changes yellow turmeric solution into red and it changes the color of phenolphthalein into pink. Now question number 2. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में बेसिस चेंज करते हैं. सो दिस इज बेसिक इन नेचर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नेम द सोर्सेज फ्रॉम विच लिटमस सॉल्यूशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड. What is the use of this solution? Litmus solution is obtained from lichens. This solution is used to test whether a solution is acidic or basic. Question number 4. Is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? We know distilled water is neutral. We will verify it in different ways. First is we will take China rose indicator and then add distilled water in it. We see that there is no change in the color of China rose solution. This proves that distilled water is a neutral in nature. Question number 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. Now, neutralization is the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salts and water are product in this process with the evolution of heat. See here, acid plus base gives salt plus water. Heat is evolved. The following reaction is an example of neutralization. Hydrochloric acid HCl plus sodium hydroxide NaOH gives sodium chloride plus water H2O. Here hydrochloric acid is an acid and sodium hydroxide is a base, and sodium chloride, the product of this reaction, is a salt. Question number 6. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Number 1. Nitric acid turns red litmus into blue. It's false, because nitric acid turns blue litmus into red. Number 2. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. This is also false. Third है Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. This is true. Yes, answer correct है. इसमें true आएगा. Fourth, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. This is also true. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. No, it's false. Question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic drink, and third one wants neutral drinks. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? अब दोरजी को ये पता लगाना है कि कौन सा ड्रिंक एसिडिक है, कौन सा बेसिक है और कौन सा न्यूट्रल है. तो वो क्या करेंगे, एक इंडिकेटर का यूज़ करेंगे इसके लिए. लिटमस पेपर स्ट्रिप. इफ द ब्लू लिटमस पेपर टर्न इनटू रेड, दैट ड्रिंक इज एसिडिक. And which while red litmus paper turns into blue, that drink is soft drink. And in which solution the litmus paper not change the color, this is neutral solution, so he can serve the drink. Question number 8. Explain why an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Answer is, an antacidic tablet is basic in nature, so it neutralizes the effect of acidity. B. Calamine solution is applied on skin when an ant bites. Calamine solution contains zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature, so it neutralizes the effect of formic acid injected by ant bite. C. Factory waste is neutralized before depositing it into the water bodies. The waste of many factories contain acids. If these acids are allowed to flow into the water, these will kill fish and other aquatic organisms. Therefore, it is neutralized before disposing into the water bodies.